times of the 21st century means nothing to me, cause I would rather be at the beginning of time. Earth would be mine, living in luxury, discovering a world out there, believing in the sun, earth, water and air. Take me there so I could see the world bloom, standing on the seas, live howling at the moon, creating a world for the open-minded, a unique perception of truth inside it. I know we could find it, it's just a matter of where and when we collectively decide it. The world is not a vicious place, it's just the way we've been raised, discovering time and space. I know that we could make it change, rearrange the way that we appreciate the world today. It's possible to love someone and not treat them in the way that you won't. It's possible to see your eyes be the devil in disguise with another front end. It's possible to change this world, revolutionize the boys and girls. It's possible to educate the next generation that will rule the world someday. Now as I start to put my mind into words, I stall, I fall, I'm losing it all, my inhibitions. The thought of wasting away, the fact that the music's at a place not far away, yet I stray, stick to my world, in love with my life, my beliefs and a girl. But is it luck that I love this crazy place, the human race? Don't get me wrong, I still think we could change, but this life, the fact that time exists and we're here, we don't come equipped with it all. Half the fun is learning and I'm having a ball while the world keeps turning. My role is small, but I'll make it change. I hope you're feeling the same way. I hope you're seeing what I say. Yeah, it's possible to love someone and not treat them in the way that you want. It's possible to see your eyes be the devil in disguise with another front end. It's possible to change this world, revolutionize the boys and girls. It's possible to educate the next generation that will rule the world someday.
Oh, it sounds like cat.
When you are ready, I will surrender. Take me and do as you will. Have what you want, your way's always the best way. I have succumbed to this passive sensation, peacefully falling away. I am the zombie, your wish will command me. Laugh as I fall to my knees. Bring it back, sing it back, bring it back, sing it back to me. Bring it back, sing it back, bring it back, sing it back to me. Can I control this empty delusion, lost in the fire below? And you come running, your eyes will be open. And when you come back, I'll be as you want me, only so eager to please. My little song, keep you beside me, thinking your name as I sing. Bring it back, sing it back, bring it back, sing it back to me. Bring it back, sing it back, bring it back, sing it back to me. No, you can't help it if you have been tempted by fruit hanging ripe on the tree. And I feel useless, don't care what the truth is. You will be here come the day. Truth, do you hear me? Don't try to come near me. So tired I sleep through the lie. If you desire to lay here beside me, come to my sweet melody.